Good morning. Today is May 18th, 2023, also known as day 89 of the $100 account challenge. It is currently 9:07. I just logged on, so I can't tell you what's going on for real. Here's my disclaimer. Do not follow what I do. Do your own due diligence. I'm just a guy on the internet who's trading some stocks in an attempt to chronicleize my trades and look back at and build on look back at and build on the negative, make it positive, and keep doing what I was doing that was positive, right? So avoid the negative. Yesterday, GSIT on my screen so happened to be, and it ran yesterday again. Up here, market open, it ran up to 439-ish, put all the way back, hit 454 market open, and right now sitting at 412. Let me go to my charts. MOTS, MOTS. Yesterday I traded MOTS in a small account. Looked at Wet G. Traded Wet G in my larger account. Traded SMFL in my larger account, but I traded MOTS, I'm pretty sure, in this account. And now I don't even see it. But I did trade yesterday MOTS in this account. Let me go over here and look at it. 84 cents. There we go. Yesterday I bought it right here at 114 on the one candle, sold top of the candle. Next candle it halted. Right? So I missed the halt. It popped 155, almost 156, and dumped the rest of the day. Yesterday's video tell you why that was so dangerous and why I wouldn't recommend trading that stock. So let's create a watch list right quick for today because I do not know what is going on. I think I couldn't tell you. WLGS, 19 million market cap. ICU, okay. WLGS, ICU. CWD, ENBB, ALIM, SCPL, IFBD, got a couple more. UBP, I see MobQ back again. See, MobQ been here for eons, it's hovering around, man. Yeah. Yeah, it's my other. Where we at? WLGS, ICU, CWD, ENVB, ALIM. Hovering around here forever. Alright, so that's over there. Yeah, SCPL, forgot that one. All good. Alright, so right now, let me see. 1.6 million shares traded. WLGS. Late to the party for that one, huh? 9 o'clock right there. It's 9:12. None to borrow, which is good. Late to the party on that one for sure. 226. Same kind of 236. They're gonna put back there. It's weird stuff moving with no news these days, man. Industrial stocks moving. The LGS, Wang and Lee Group. What do you think this is? I'll just tell you, an Asian stock. $223. Outstanding shares is 33.7 million shares. So I can get about, let me see, yes, about 115, about 45. Yeah, about 45. I'll put at 43 for now. EXT, AutoSyn. Let's pull it back some more. Let me see, 221. Yes, pull it back a little bit. I'm gonna miss it, trying to do everything else. WLGS. Next stock is ICU, 7 million market cap. Trading almost 3 million shares. That one's a nice one. Why is trading so many shares? ICU. Oh, it's pulling back right now. I bet it's direct offering. Let's see. C-Star Medical shares are trading at absolute abnormally high volume today. Released earnings report earlier this week. The stock moved bearishly. CWD is a large market cap. ENVB. CWD. I can't even find it up here. There you go. CWD, right? CWD, yeah. CWD. Post IPO volatility. So it's a recent IPO. Okay. The IPO number came out was 379. ENVB. I missed my buy-in. Told you I missed the buy-in point over here. I was watching for it to do a recover, and I missed the buy-in point. It seems to be, let me see. I missed the buy-in point. I was going to cancel that. Why do that? 29.50 is the next point. 23 cents. 52. I was watching for the pullback. I got in the right 1 minute chart. They go to pullback 1 minute. They go to, it was the green candle. Gonna pop this 213. Touch off that. Bounce to 250. None to borrow. I'll leave it over there for a minute. Over here, 15-minute chart, straight incline. Look at that. I got a 5-minute chart right there. What was that? ENVB. ENVB is on a bearish side. That's 223. Still hopped in 227, I think it was. 100% would be 264, right? 132 closed last night. 100% move would be 264. If you notice right now, It hasn't popped 100% yet. Let me go to this 180-day 1 hour chart. There's 280 right there. Let me go shorter version than that. Let me go 20 days, 4 hours. So it was this 293 right here on May the 1st. We only in May 18th. Back here on August the 28th, it was 370. We have some hires back here. But it was 14 bucks way back here on April 21st. So the question is, how do we go from 1468 down to a low, yesterday a low of 130, and they the first day on the pop up? If you look at their RSI, it's the first 4 hour movement was straight bullish past the 70 RSI. On a MACD, on the second light green candle on this move, but they get longer and longer. So the question remains is, how come we was 1468 back here on 421 to 130 yesterday? So 421 right here. It says here 20 stars. Wang Lee commenced trading NASDAQ Capital Market. Okay, so it went to NASDAQ. Wayne D price IPO, $5 a share. There you go. It was an IPO on the 20th, which is right here. Has to be. Yeah, IPO was $5. It popped at IPO, which it usually does. Ran up to a high and pulled back. So we haven't yet reached a high IPO price. And over here, CWD was also IPO. And we now trading almost we're trading almost 300% above the IPO price. Well, we 200%, but approaching 300%. Okay, all right, I got you. But the move this morning makes no sense because let me look at it. 428. So almost 30 days. Are we closing our options? Is that what we're doing? 30-day options? But why would you buy an IPO? Unless you did a put, maybe. You could have got to the high and did a put. But it's very odd to do a, well, it ain't odd. So when an IPO pops in, usually it runs up, right? So I can't say a smart investor, but I will say this. A person who like to gamble, you can call it that, they watch it rise to a high, like if it pops up at $5, maybe double that, be $10, right? Then they would do a put option, right? Or they just short it and hold that short. Because usually what happens is a stock on the IPO, it'll usually run up and pull back within 2 days. Why? Simple. People buying those IPOs pre-market, or not pre-market, how can I put it? You can get specialized group to buy IPOs before they hit the market. So you buying it, they probably bought it for $2 or $3 and come out and say, hey, IPO price is now $5. So they're already in it $2 or $3. So to go up to $10 or more, they're up 300-400%. So they'll sell their shares, right? Makes sense? Then they'll dump. And from that point forward, everybody looking at it like, well, dang, stock was laying on $14 2 days ago. Why is it only $2 right now? Because they ever took profit already. You're looking at it as being a pump and dump. But another thing you look at as well is this name right here, Wang Lee, which already tells you it's an Asian stock. And I say every time I see an Asian stock, because I've been burned so many times trading them, that they are known to pump and dump. That's what Asian stocks do. They pump and they dump. They pump and they dump. It never fails. So I'm in right now at 227, I think I said. Looking for, 229. I'm looking for 252. But look at my chart. What do you see in the view? 240, and then there go this 260 right there. And I say this over and over again. When you see a stock price in your immediate view, it's telling you that's the next wall. It's almost giving you the money. See what it does. It pulls up, it pulls back. It pulls up, it pulls back. It pulls up, it pulls back. Now, we know by now, stocks move in waves, right? It might be parallel, right? It might be escalating, or it might be de-escalating. In this case, we escalating. And being leading gapper, everyone is going to hop in and stop because it is indeed the leading gapper. Next one is right here, CWD, a previous a previous IPO, but it's also 300% or 400% almost more money than the leading gapper, with a way larger market cap, which means also what? It also should have and will have a way larger market share float, right? You look it up. It's 923. WLGS. WLGS has about a 15 million share float, and CWD, is it CWD or CVB? CWD. I can't even find CWD. It's so new, I can't even find it. You can't even find a market cap on CWD. What I can do is this. I'm going to add some numbers over here on the side right quick. Fix my screen. AMC. There go 924 right there. CWD. I don't want no flooring done. CWD. It ain't even showing. Alright, CWD 225. I see where we at. FRGT, INMP, LYFT, OPK, SMFL, XFOR. 926 right now. I'm gonna go back over there when we get about 928, 29. You know how I am. I don't like to watch my money because it throws me off. I'd rather just watch it from a screen like this where I can't see nothing. Time of sales, mini buyers, see that? Mini buyers coming in, right? RSI, look at this, 1013 on Asian stock. That's $11, man. Might be texting me stuff. All good, all good. So I want it all on my screen. ALIM. Someone traded this earlier, I think, twice. See that candle? Must be some news or earnings, something going on. Oh yeah, it's right there. I see it. Science trading hard to come in out. It's acquired. Commercial rights are white. This news be crazy, man, for real. Let's see. iPoint offloads commercially available. iPlant royalties. $9.28. I saw a pop resistance at 864, but didn't jump in. 864. Let's check this out. I got 880. But you can't really call that one candle resistance, I guess. Guess you can. Meanwhile, look over here. WLGS is failing, right? I was going to cancel my order earlier, but didn't do it. All good. It's popping off the BWAP. Meanwhile, at 1040 on CWD. 929. Down $8 that quick. We still bullish on the green candles though. Did more news come in? But you know what? These days, news don't mean a daggone thing. I'm gonna keep my candle sitting there at 250. Let me take off this. Give me a second. Taking off that. I'm putting day. I got 43 shares. I could buy probably one or two more maybe. Nope. One more. We'll be in 44. Let's watch what happens right here. We got 12 seconds before the market open. We got 210 still sitting at. A lot of pullback on the red candles. Look at that. We got 1 minute candles red. It's pulling back tremendously. Don't cross over. We need a long green candle here. A long green candle here. 15 million share float. Then we run. There we go. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And keep going. 21, 23. We got pop my point. I don't like what it's doing at all, for real. 11 cent be right there for me. I'm gonna hold it there for right now. I need more than 11 cent though. I'm gonna move my candle when I have to. We need to pop through this, make this line support again, and then we go bullish. I'm watching 218, 219, 220. Let me get over here and watch it. 14, 23, 24. There we go. Let's do that. 25. Let's do that. There we go. Beautiful. Busted 29. Made 29 support. We popped 231 right there. That wasn't high enough for me though. The current resistance point is right here at 226. We hit 235. Not quite high enough. Moved up 2 cents. It hit 237. You see that? I'm gonna take a couple cents and just get out the way. 13 cent, 14 cent. It's not doing much of nothing. We still green though. 38. We climbing. Go 44. We climbing. We climbing. 30, 30, 31. Then it fell. 38. That's a nice little pullback though. I had it at 40 at first, but I want more. It's gonna pop again right here. See that 5 minute candle right there? It's very indecisive. It's like a spinning top. So we're gonna run again through the same point right here. But look here, it's oversold, right? Need us to be very bullish to pop through. Leading gapper by far. turn away a second. I'm still trading though. 11:38. You know what? I think CWD halting on volatility. Look at this. CWD. See this? Has no share float because this is a brand new stock, so it ain't gonna show a share float. Hit that 50 point. Let's go. Hit that 50 point. WLGS. Well, let me watch some more now. So we step in 1 minute chart. 229, 233. Hitting these 230s. I need 250 though. Let's go right through here. I'm gonna take that 44, 45 and get out the way because it's not doing much of nothing. We need one long green candle right here, and we got action. One long full body candle, we got action. Second candle comes in less than 1 minute. We still stair stepping on the 15-minute candle, as well as the 1 minute chart. We still stair stepping. So it's just hovering around this point where I bought in at the beginning, right? Watch this right here. Watch this. 35, 37, 38, 40. It's hitting the 40 wall. Remember, my original point was 40, remember? I'm at 43, 37. There we go, 38, 39, 40. Let's do 40. Here we go, right here. Because look this right here. That's my bid and ask, none to borrow. But I know it can bust 40. I just know it can, so I'm going to hold it. Look right here. Everything is telling me we're going to bust 40, right? So I won't sell it till it gets to 44, 45. 34, 35, 37, 38, 42, and it's messed with 42, 42. There we go. There's the sell, 45. All right, so it's gonna go a lot higher, I think, as well. But because me, I said earlier, we needed one full green body candle. That's the first one we needed. Now from this point forward, it's gonna stair step. Stay green. Don't be greedy. In at 229. Out at what, 245? I think it was. Let me see. In at 229. Then it sold 44, so 38 of them at 44. Then the other 5 at 44. So it tapped it twice. Stay green. Don't be greedy. Oh, before I go any further, I'm gonna say WLGS in at 229, out at 244 in small account. Also, look at this, 100% incoming. Stay green, don't be greedy. Day 89 complete.